When it comes to heavy-duty cleaning, the high-pressure washer stands as the ultimate solution for removing stubborn dirt, oil stains, mildew, moss, and built-up grime from nearly any surface. Whether you're cleaning driveways, patios, garage floors, construction equipment, or commercial vehicles, this powerful tool delivers unmatched results in a fraction of the time. With a high-output motor and adjustable nozzles, it produces a strong, focused jet of water that penetrates deep into surfaces, lifting away contaminants without the need for harsh chemicals or excessive scrubbing. Built for professionals but intuitive enough for everyday users, a high-pressure washer transforms tough, cleaning jobs into fast, satisfying work, giving surfaces a like-new appearance with just the pull of a trigger. Crafted with durability and performance in mind, today's high-pressure washers feature rugged frames, corrosion-resistant pumps, long-reach hoses, and ergonomic spray guns designed for long hours of use without fatigue. Many models offer built-in detergent tanks, pressure regulation systems, and a variety of spray tips to handle both delicate surfaces and industrial-strength grime. From household cleaning tasks to workshop and fleet maintenance, this tool is a versatile asset that saves time, water, and effort. It's more than just a washer, it's a high-performance cleaning system engineered to meet the demands of hardworking users who expect professional-grade results every time. Whether you're a contractor, mechanic, homeowner, or facility manager, a high-pressure washer is a smart, long-term investment in cleanliness and efficiency.